There's a reason this gelatin trick is all over TikTok and wellness forums right now. Thousands of people are using it daily and seeing fast changes, without dieting or exercising more. I added it to my routine expecting nothing. Just 1 spoon a day, no lifestyle changes at all. But within days, my appetite dropped, my digestion improved, and I stopped getting those late-night cravings that usually ruin progress. This isn't magic. It works by improving gut health and signaling your body to release stored fat more efficiently. That's why the results feel natural and sustainable, not forced. No starvation, no supplements, no stimulants. And here's the best part. The recipe uses a single, common kitchen ingredient you probably already own. Simple, cheap, shockingly effective. I highly recommend learning how to make it the right way. Click the link in the pinned comment to see the full gelatin trick breakdown before platforms take this down. This gelatin trick is being quietly shared for a reason, and once you understand how it works, you'll see why so many people are seeing results fast. Instead of forcing your body with workouts or extreme diets, this simple ritual works with your metabolism, 1 spoon a day. That's it. When I tried it, the biggest surprise wasn't even the weight, it was how my hunger completely disappeared. No more constant snacking, no sugar crashes. My stomach felt lighter, digestion smoother, and my clothes started fitting better in less than a week. That's when I realized this isn't just about weight, it's about fixing the gut, which controls fat storage, cravings, and inflammation. And yes, the entire trick is based on one ingredient sitting in most kitchens right now. Nothing synthetic, no expensive products. If you want to learn the exact recipe and timing people are using, click the pinned comment now. Videos like this don't stay up long once they start spreading. This gelatin trick didn't go viral by accident, it exploded because it's quietly helping thousands of people burn fat without changing anything about their routine. I honestly didn't believe it at first. No gym, no strict diets, no supplements, just 1 spoon a day, taken before a meal. I tried it out of pure curiosity, and within a few days, something felt different. My cravings completely disappeared. I wasn't thinking about food all the time anymore. By the end of the week, my clothes were looser, my stomach felt flatter, and that constant bloated feeling was gone. No detox teas, no extreme workouts, just this simple gelatin mix that supports digestion and activates your body's natural fat-burning response. The part most diets completely ignore. The craziest part? It's made with one basic ingredient you already have in your kitchen. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive. If you want to know the exact recipe and how people are using it safely, click the link in the pinned comment now, before this video mysteriously disappears.